Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner Finn Austin there, and so we're gonna open this package, or a bag, and this is my first birthday present. I know my birthday's in November 1st. I got the Sesame Street book on my Free Friday, So this is my first birthday present. Let's open that. Oh my gosh! I got Hickory Dickory Dock Play a Sound book. This one is a little play a sound book. And here's the back. And here are some pages. Here's this page. And I'm gonna push the button. Here we go. That's all the sounds doesn't make. So here is my first birthday present that I got. So goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow, and have a great day.